Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So we're doing a recap of day one. Oh my god.
Never want to do that again.
Woo, yeah. I never have to climb Mount Khatadin again. I never want to. That was... And children, my kids, Isaac and Andrew, you are not allowed to climb Mount Khatadin. Holy crap. Like, there are some places on this mountain that were so scary to climb up and down that I cried. I literally was crying.
Tears of fears.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Yeah, we just didn't know. And the ladies that were staying across from us, one of them said she's been hiking since she was 16. She's done Mount Washington like 12 times. And she said, this is hands down the hardest mountain she's ever climbed.
So basically it was 5.5 miles, or almost 5.5 miles straight up. I mean, at times you were literally just climbing hands and knees on these boulders. The first 1.5 miles wasn't too bad, but then after that, the rest of the trip was just literally just straight up. It was crazy. And maybe a dozen steps that you went down, and on the reverse obviously there was all the way down, which is still equally hard, and you know, the same dozen or steps back up. But it's just a long, hard hike. We hiked what, 12 hours?
Yeah,
right at 12 hours.
We not only did we hike 12 hours, we climbed a mountain. Yeah. And hiked for 12 hours. How long would you say we were actually climbing a mountain? We were doing it the whole time.
Yeah,
we were climbing a mountain the whole time, but we didn't hit the rock scrambles and the, like, you know, climbing the mountain part until...
Yeah, the first hour wasn't bad. Then the next 10 are just like, it's just crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to give everybody a recap of that. We got back last night almost around 8, and then we set up and ate dinner, and then set up our tent. And so yeah, now we're about to head out to A-Ball Bridge. Should be a nice short, easy day. It's supposed to be pretty flat, about 10 miles to A-Ball Bridge, and then we'll keep on heading south. So
pray for us. Pray for us. That's a rough first day.
All right. So that's about it then.
Bye.
Bye.